Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in for another wig transformation video. So the wig I'm using today is from RPGhair. It is their Brazilian deep wave lace front wig. Now, of course, this hair gets bigger and bigger as I continue to run my fingers through this hair. The hair density on this lace front wig is 130%. It does come with bleach knots. However, it's only about 1 inch of the frontal that is actually bleached. So I would definitely suggest that either you do my non-bleaching method. I'll have that video below if you guys want to check it out, or definitely go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit. So you get about 4 inches of parting space, which is pretty much standard for your lace front wig. As I'm running my fingers through the hair, I did notice that I got a lot of shedding. This could be for multiple reasons. I did cut the lace, so anytime you cut lace, you're definitely going to get some strands of hair coming out. I also ran my fingers through the hair, detangling the hair and kind of defining or loosening up those waves. So of course that's going to give you some shedding as well. Didn't really have any issues with tangling, but the shedding, I definitely experienced a lot of that. However, when I wet the hair, as you'll see later in this video, I had no issues with shedding whatsoever. So, of course, I'm going to go ahead and add some baby hairs. I prefer baby hairs with my wigs because it helps hide the lace. And then I'm going to cut some of this hair because this is a lot of hair. And the look that I'm going for is more so like a side part with a lot of volume in the front, cut at an angle. So that's what I'm doing here. I definitely suggest that you use like a razor comb instead of scissors. I actually had to use scissors because I didn't have anything else close by and my blade just wasn't cutting right. So this is pretty much what look 1 looks like. As you can see, the waves in the hair is really defined. Hairline looks pretty good. Keep in mind, guys, I did not do any bleaching to this hairline, so definitely check out the video below so you guys can know how to get your frontal looking nice without bleaching. And I'm just going in with the scissors to kind of give it more of a shape. And then I'm going to be using this Luster's slick stick, also known as a wax stick. I prefer to use this over water or hairspray like I used to back in the day. I just like this look. It gives a more clean, shiny look, and then I just like how it makes the hair lay flat. So this is look 1. Now let's move on to look 2. Look 2 will be just wetting this hair using product. Of course, I'm going to use my Demon brush that I got from Sally's to detangle the hair. And this is not a curly wig, guys. This is a wavy wig. So I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Gel Souffle. I don't like this stuff at all. Ugh, I hate the texture of it. Like, look at my face. My face says it all. That is too funny. I've used this product before on my natural hair and I really didn't like it. So I decided just to use it on this wig just to see, you know, if I would like it. But girl, I still don't like it. So I'm just going to use a towel to scrunch up the hair. So yeah, like I was saying, this is not a curly wig. This is a deep wave wig. So whenever you detangle using water or you add product to the hair while the hair is wet, you're not going to get a curly ringlet texture. You're going to get like a deep wave texture. And this is just a side of me using water without any product, and I prefer the water side just because it looks like the hair has way more volume and it's not so flat compared to the other side where I do have the Shea Moisture product. So the next product I'm going to use is the Eco Styling Gel. I'm going to use that on the side where I only applied the water. And I just want to see how the hair looks with just using the gel. I love this gel for my natural hair. It gets my hair really popping. But it did nothing to this wig. So once I wet the hair, I did not experience any type of shedding or tangling. So this is pretty much what the hair looks like after I have towel scrunched the hair. Of course, if you guys want to purchase this wig, everything will be below. Thanks for watching.